So let's practice. All right, everybody get your dominant hand up, the hand that you write with. So get it in a comfortable position, not too far forward, not to the side, comfortable position. So we're going to start with signing the alphabet. So we've got A. This is how you sign A. Now, if you have two A's in a row in a word, like the name Aaron, because this is what's called a fist letter because all the fingers are close together, you would open it a little bit. So A, 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 A. So next one, B, B. So you've got the four fingers touching together and the thumb across the palm. Now, I am double jointed, so my fingers like bend much further than some people. That's not a problem. If you can only go to here, that's okay. That's okay. It doesn't need to bend all the way down like mine does. All right, next. Oh, if it's a double letter, you just slide it over across like this. B, B, B. Next, C. C, this is the way it looks where you're facing it forward. C. D, that's like this. The pointer finger is up. The rest of the fingers form a circle. D, and it slides across. E, the E hand shape, you've got your thumb across the palm and the other four fingers bent over touching your thumb. This is one of the fist letters, so you would open it a little bit and reclose it. If there are two E's in a row, E, 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 E. F, F. The pinky, the ring finger, and the middle finger are up. The pointer and the thumb are forming a circle. And this one slides across if there's two. G, G. This is the pointer and the thumb are horizontal and they are parallel to each other. G. This one slides across. G, G. H. You've got both the middle and the pointer and the thumb folds down. So it's not up like the G, it's down. H. And that slides across. I. The pinky is up, the thumb is folded on top, or I've seen it folded in front. Typically I see it on top, but this is I. This would be slid across. J. You take the I and you draw a J with it. So you keep it facing forward. This can be tricky. And as it turns into a J, then it turns backwards. So it stays forward until it's all the way at the bottom, and then it turns facing you. J. And if you happen to have a word that had two J's, you would do two of them. K. So the K has your pointer and your middle finger. Your thumb goes in between. Now, I know people that are not able to put their thumb over onto their middle finger, so they will put it on their first finger or put it between or put it over here. Any of those is fine. Any of those is perfectly acceptable. This is K. K, K. If it's a double letter, K, K. L. L. Yes, I recognize that the L, if you are right-handed like I am, the L is backwards. And so instinctively we want to switch so that it's correct. Don't do that. You stick with your dominant hand. L. You slide it over if there's two L's. O. O. Just like the C, but closed, facing forward. O. This is considered a fist letter, so you would open it up for two O's in a row. O-O. P. P is done by making the K upside down. So you have the first finger and the middle finger and the thumb in between. P. P. This slides over if it's a double letter. Next one, Q. Q is done by making the G upside down. So it's the first finger and the thumb pointed down. Q. This slides over. If for some reason you found a word that had two Q's in a row, I'm not sure that one exists, but I do not know every word. So maybe. Q, Q. R. R. You've got your first finger and your middle finger and they cross over. Now, there are some people that cannot cross their fingers over. That is okay. If you need to put it just on top like this, that is just fine. Not a problem. R. And you would slide it over. Next one, S. S. So we've got a fist with your thumb across the front. This one is considered a fist letter, so you would open it up for a double letter, SS. Next one, T. T. Your thumb is in between your pointer and your middle finger. This is another fist letter, so you do TT, TT. I feel like I skipped M and N. O, P, Q. Did I do M and N? I don't think I did. I know I did all the way through Q. R. I don't know. We're going to do it again because I don't know. I know I did L. I know I did L because I skipped the L. I did L and then I talked about left hand. I know I did that. I know I did L, Nadia. I know I did. But I'm pretty sure I skipped M and N. So M. Yep, I skipped M and N. Yep. So here's M. Here's M. My thumb is underneath the first three fingers. The first three fingers. Yep. That's M. And it's a fist letter, so you'd open it up. N is just under the first two. And you would open it up. Amber, I will do words and sentences. I definitely will. Now we did T, and it's a fist. Then it's U after T. U, you can remember that because, you know, it's like a little U. So it's your pointer in your middle, standing up like this. If it's double, moves across. V, double, it would move across. W would move across. X, it's like a little hook. So you've got your pointer is in a hook shape. Your thumb is across like that. X, and it would move across. Y, and this would move across. And Z, you just draw a Z shape with your pointer. And just like with the L, you would not switch hands. If you're left-handed, you would not think, oh, if I draw a Z, then it's backwards. Stick with your dominant hand. Now, a double Z can be done two different ways. It makes it special. So you can either do a double Z by drawing Z, Z, so just starting the second Z where the first Z ended, or you can do it by using your pointer and your middle finger and drawing them at the same time. Drawing two Z's at the same time.